Hey yo tout le monde, et on se retrouve là pour un nouvel épisode là, de le Genshin, de Genshin, avec ma nouvelle petite chouchoute, Shoot Deya. Ouais non, ouais non, le level Deya, pardon, parce que le son me pétait les oreilles. Donc, quand le level Deya qu'on a l'a débloqué dans le dernier épisode, et que vous avez dû avoir dessus mais la miniature de l'épisode précédent. J'ai tenté là, de parler comme plus fort parce que j'ai remarqué que je parlais pas très très fort dessus les enregistrements, donc et dessus et dessus mes OBS. Pourtant, mon son est au maximum. Donc, bon, c'est prévu vu que j'aille comme un nouveau micro, c'est prévu, mais je sais pas quand. Donc, Paimon, tu voulais me dire quoi?
There's something you didn't tell them.
Ah bon?
The dragon and the crystal weren't the
Les
only things
cristaux
we
ne
saw.
sont pas les seules choses que nous avons vues. Ah oui, c'est vrai, le garçon n'avait pas l'air méchant.
So you do remember him, that green guy.
Ouais. Ah oui, c'est vrai que
He looked just like that
automatique.
guy down there.
Ah tiens, quand on parle du... Attendez, je tente juste de pogner mon fil parce que mon, mon téléphone est presque...
See? See? Wait. Hold on a minute. That's the same guy.
C'est ça qui me fait rire, c'est comme là, ils le décrivent là, à la perfection. Ils disent ah, t'es le level. Mais son level j'avais le level, la même le level couleur. Wait, mais c'est lui! Oh non, là, mais Paimon me fait rire. C'est l'enfer. Bon, allez. Mais en vrai, je vais garder des. Je vais l'appeler le level. Comme ça. C'est par
That
ici.
green guy disappeared.
Il a disparu.
Use elemental
No
sight to
shit.
track him down.
Utilise de vue élémentaire. Ma vue élémentaire. J'ai ça. Ah. Ok. Bon, on va être roleplay parce que là, c'est clairement un truc devant. Parce que là... What? Ça s'arrête là? Peux-tu aller plus loin? Ah, là-bas. Retrouver... Là... Ah, il a monté.
His footprints lead to this wall. Did he climb up from here?
En même temps, là, j'ai pas mal tendu, donc ça devrait le faire. C'est où? Là. Ok, doucement. Ok, bon, clairement, il est tout en haut, là. On va pas... Il est là. Il fait, mais la musique, là, comme du lobby, non?
What is to be sung transpired in days of yore, when the divine archons still walked the earth. A dragon cast his curious gaze on the world below, as he parted from the heavens that gave his birth. The dragon sought truth amongst common folk, but mortal trifles only fogged his mind. The wind-born bard strummed his strings dulce, and the holy lyre answered his questions kind. The dragon was but a child full of wonder, and soared the heavens free from care. The
La
bard's songs
personne qui me
invited
dit
him
que
to
c'est
sing
pas lui
along,
ou son ancêtre,
for he yearned to let all perceive him fair. Enchanting legends the bard and dragon were, but the tides of despair soon engulfed the land. The Lion Fang perished, and the Falcon Flag slept. As a vile dragon approached Mondstadt in lone stand. Over the cathedral loomed Death and his friends. Of the people's agony, the bards soon sang. The soaring dragon heeded his grave calls, and amidst the windstorms a brutal war sprang. Blood of venom sent the sky dragon into slumber, only to awake to be expelled in abhor. Why do people in this age loathe me so? But the holy lyre replied no more. Wrath and woe, vigor and venom, poured from the dragon's bitter eyes. The dragon's curse sprawled in silence, but the lyre could no longer soothe his cries.
le cristal.
Wait, you guys are...
Ah non, là,
that's
c'est
right.
sûr.
You're the ones that scared Dvalin away. Dvalin? Who's that?
Valine.
Huh? Oh, right! Most people seem to call him Storm Terror. Why do you call him that? Are you two meant to be close or something?
Oh, so close.
Hey, so... Paimon thinks this guy has a screw loose.
Good day, Outlander. Seems we meet again. I'm Venti the Bard. Three-time winner of the most popular bard of
Venti.
Mondstadt, to be precise. So,
Venti
What do you
relié au vent. Comme par hasard.
Says Paimon doesn't believe we need to
Osez me
explain
dire le
any
contraire.
further. Of course it's about Storm Terror!
Storm?
Hey! Cut it with the Amnesia Act! Alright, show it to him.
Oh, isn't this...
What? The crystal has been purified? When?
Dvalin, the anguish he feels has brought him to tears.
Tears?
Est-ce que c'est la
He was
lyre
once
qui
such a
l'aurait
gentle child.
rendu...
Now so full of rage and suffering. I also came across a teardrop crystal. Can you purify it?
C'est nous autres qui l'a guéri? Ouais. Il l'avait, elle était comme encore comme un peu. Et là, on le récup et tout va mieux. Ok.
You really do have some wonderful abilities.
J'ai un
Someone
pouvoir de
like you is going to end
purification.
up getting written into a bard's poem. Oh, a hero so bright should she stand in the light. Though stand in the shade, and you'll be met by a blade. Alas, I've really not the time to compose a melody for you at this moment. Anyway, even if Dvalin is not taken down, his life will still wither away in the breeze. He'll burn himself out in the flames of anger.
Je vais te rendre... Genre comme, je vais te livrer comme au chevalier. Non.
I really
peut
must
t'aider.
thank you for
Voyons.
purifying the teardrop crystal. It has helped me greatly. But I've already come to devise my own plan.
Oh? And what plan would that be?
Seeing this tear has brought to mind a friend so dear.
Friend?
One must be going.
Hey, where are you running off to?
to the symbol of Mondstadt's hero. Bye-bye.
L'origine de Mondstadt.
Huh. What do you make of that? As far as he's concerned, you're a weirdo. Know what?
Pardon pour le coup de micro.
Familiar? I don't know. You're alone on that one. But
Il est allé là-bas. On va y aller. Je peux pas. Je ne peux pas m'y TP? J'étais sûr que si. Si, pourtant. Ah, bon, voilà. Qui non? Non, c'est ce que j'ai deux trucs en même temps. Encore, je comprenais plus. Là.
Paimon knows it's that huge tree. You know, the gigantic one. You can't miss it. Surely.
Oh? What are you doing here? Though I was just wondering if you would happen to follow me. You speak of the god of Anemo, Barbados? He already disappeared from Mondstadt a long time ago. Liyue and Inazuma's respective gods of Geo and Electro are still present, but Mondstadt has seen many a moon since they last saw their own god. Why do you wish to know about the god of Anemo? Does it have something to do with Dvalin?
Oh, it's because gods.
Just how is it that everyone sees Storm Terror? I'm quite curious. That said, there's no need to rush. I have not been back in a while. It seems there are a few who are unhappy with my arrival.
The wind. I can't open
Semble
my
là que la
eyes.
foudre est fort contre.
What is a creature like that doing out here in such a calm place? You think it was going after that green guy? His relationship with the wind seems even deeper than yours.
Ouais, bof. Bon, allez. On va tester ça.
You ain't messing around! Buckle up!
Et ouais. Je vais prendre des dégâts. Oh. Ok, ouais non. J'ai voulu changer de personnage. En fait, non, pas ça. Équipe. Ah, je ne peux pas. Ça va. C'est no shit.
Dodge this.
Allez, descends. Reste en là comme constamment.
Don't push your luck. Cool it.
Je vais.
Dodge this.
Il est presque mort. Allez. Ah. J'ai pas pu. Allez, pose-toi. Ah, ok, ouais, non, au final, Amber est plus pratique que je le pensais. Il essaie de foutre dessus. Oh non, oh non.
Push your luck.
Ow.
Cool it.
Et voilà. Fini.
Seems the dragon wasn't the
Oh,
only thing
c'était-
affected by this change in the wind. Now then, you were saying someone had told you about the dragon?
Ouais. Bon, moi, j'y
Is
raconte
that
tout.
so? Quite the scholar, I must say that, Lisa. She's not wrong. The conflict has reached this point only because both sides have resorted to the use of force. His hate, however, did not arise from the people not making tribute to the Four Winds. Nor was it born from his own nature, but instead came about as a product of his degradation.
Degradation?
The black blood flowing through his heart has been torturing him for years. That's what has allowed him to be led astray by the lies of the Abyss Mage. Correct. They are from the Abyss Order, an organization comprised of non-human beings. They despise mankind. I don't know where they come from. All I know is that they hold deep hatred toward the human world. Many hilly trolls out in the wild take orders from them and act as their weapons. Before arriving here, I too was like Dvalin, cursed and left to waste. But now, before us stands the symbol of Mondstadt's hero, the place from which Mondstadt rose. The wind amongst the branches is good. I love the way it smells. Being here with you beneath this great tree feels like when the tear was purified earlier. Like the poison is leaving my body. Feels much better.
So,
Au moins.
how exactly did you get poisoned?
That would be because I tried to communicate with Dvalin earlier, but was interrupted. As a result, not only did I not manage to help Dvalin break his curse, but instead was also infected myself. Yes, it was you.
Et merde.
So to make up for it, you're coming with me to the cathedral.
The Mondstadt Cathedral? To do what exactly?
To claim a certain holy lyre de Himmel.
La lyre sacrée. Alright. Ouais, ce jeu-là me fait de plus penser comme à Breath of the Wild pour comme tout faire, téléporte-toi là, nanana, à chaque fois. C'est surtout à ça que ça me fait penser à date. J'ai quelques problèmes de co, je comprends pas. Oh, quoi là, quand même temps, les deux épisodes sont en train de s'uploader. Ouais, parce que j'upload comme en même temps. 20.
So this Holy Lyre de Himmel is...
One of the most treasured items in Mondstadt. It's the lyre that Barbados used to play. With it, perhaps I can help Dvalin draw his gentle nature back out of this nightmare he's going through.
Will it really stop Storm Terror from causing more damage?
Of course! I'm the best bard in the world. There's not a single song I do not know, no matter if it's from the past, present, or future. Look me in the eyes. Do you not find me trustworthy?
Ne joue pas toutes les personnes. J'imagine que je... Si ton ciel est bleu-vert, pose-toi des
So
questions
how
d'eau.
can we get the Holy Lyre?
It's said that it's enshrined deep within the cathedral, somewhere safe. I'll go take a look around. You can come if you want.
Ouais, sauf que ça aurait peut-être été mieux de demander avant. Je dis ça, je dis rien. Parce que ça, c'est un coup à se faire humide, mais à avoir des ennuis. Je le reprends elle, je l'aime bien.
Let me handle this. Hello there, sister.
May the Animo God bless you, young bard. How can I help you?
Actually, I know a secret that can save Mondstadt from its current predicament.
Oh, what a blessing from the god of Animo! But you should report that to the Knights of Favonius. Why have you come to me?
Because you, dear sister, are able to help. I'd like to borrow the Holy Lyre. with it, I'll be able to help Storm Terror.
Please see yourselves out.
What?
It's a vicious dragon indeed, but once the acting Grand Master makes up her mind, nothing can stand in the Knight's way.
That's simply not acceptable. Wouldn't Storm Terror end up getting killed that way?
That foolish beast betrayed the winds. Not even the god of Anemo themselves would forgive it.
Please, I beg of you.
I'm afraid not, little bard. Strange. Somehow I feel so bad rejecting this sweet child.
Then, I guess I'm left with no other choice. I cannot hide anymore. My disciples, rejoice! Behold, the god of Anemo, Barbatos, has descended. Shocked, aren't you? Don't you just want to cry out and rejoice? How does it feel to finally meet the god you've been serving?
If there's nothing else, I'll be going back to handle the cathedral's paperwork now.
Wait!
Ah non, c'est ça, là, c'est lui. Là. C'est soit là, ça réincarnation et une connerie de même.
Huh? She didn't even bat an eyelid. But I have at least
Ce
learned
qui
what
me
I
gosse,
wanted
c'est
to
que
know.
ça, c'est ouvert.
She didn't deny that the cathedral is enshrining the Holy Lyre. Now, since you're the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius, maybe you can give it a shot.
Je suis obligé. Pourquoi que c'est ouvert? C'est ça qui m'énerve.
Barbatos bless you. I know you. You and Amber saved Mondstadt that day. So what brings you here? Tasks? Is that so? Not that I don't trust you. It's just that a suspicious bard came looking to borrow the Holy Lyre as well. He's full of nonsense and even called himself Barbatos. He must be up to something. There are regulations in place for the use of the Holy Lyre. Currently, it's only used in Ludi Harpastum. Signed documents from the Grand Master, Seneschal, and Community Representative are all required. So, may I see the document from the Knights of Favonius? A signed document is required. Without it, there's not much I can do. Now, if you'll excuse me, I really am quite busy as of late.
Oh, parce que là, c'est quoi ça? Ok, Ah, j'ai... Je joue Return Aventure. Ok, ouais, ça... Ok, on va faire ça plus tard. Je vais d'abord finir cette mission-là.
Oh, it didn't work. I knew it.
You knew it?
I just wanted to know how influential the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius is. You see, the best warrior should always be presented with the best sword. And yet here we are. Does the story not make for a fitting ballad?
So what are you trying to say? That we're not good enough?
No, that's not it. More of a commentary regarding Mondstadt's inability to see the warrior standing right before its very eyes. Very well. Looks like borrowing it is not going to be possible. We're simply going to have to steal it. Today we stand for free will. Come now, speak up. That's what free will is for. Look at you, sidetracked from the start. But seriously, you're more suitable for the job than I. Aside from singing, I don't really have any other talents. Besides, if I was caught, I'd have no one to right the grave injustice of my arrest.
How can it be a grave injustice if you got caught stealing red-handed?
But things are different for you. You are the superstar of the Knights of Favonius. You have made contributions to Mondstadt. Should you get caught, you would easily be able to talk your way out of it. The guards here, it seems they're off duty throughout the night. If we manage to seize this opportunity, it should be smooth sailing from here.
Stop mentioning us getting caught!
What do you say? Yes. Seems I did mention that. Your point being? Why does your decision hinge upon whether or not I am a god?
Paimon will fill you in on her background story when we get the time.
Moi, je te... De toute façon, j'aimerais... Valine, même si tu n'es... pas un archon.
Huh?
Voilà. Ok. Faut que j'attende jusqu'à minuit. Non, merde. Je pense que je me suis trompé. Je me suis-tu trompé par hasard, Kate? Ah non, c'est ça. C'est ça? Ok. Comment je me penche? Ok, good. Ça va être compliqué. Ça me dit vu qu'il me voit. Qu'il me voit pas. Non, lui, il va me voir. Alors, je vais attendre que lui s'en aille. Et on va aller chercher ça. Allez, bouge. Bouge, bouge, bouge. Parfait.
Who are you? She disappeared!
Freeze! What are you doing here?
No, run!
Et merde. Je sentais que ça allait mal finir.
Oh no! We're busted! Run!
What? Follow me.
Master Diluc. This is this week's accounts.
The disaster has greatly affected business.
Well, let's hope it all ends soon.
Hi! We'd like a seat at your, least conspicuous table.
The second floor has fewer customers. You'd be less conspicuous up there. But aren't you a bard? Why not sit front and center?
Let's save the paid performance for next time. We'll be heading up now. See you in a bit.
Hey, keep an eye on them. There's something strange about that bard. I'll go ask around.
Ask who exactly?
The protectors of Mondstadt.
Je vais aller où, moi? Ok, là.
Master Diluc, have you seen two thieves around?
What happened? Why have you mobilized so many guards?
Haven't you heard, Master Diluc? Two thieves are trying to steal the Holy Lyre.
Huh? How odd.
Isn't it? The Holy Lyre is a treasure that was played by the god of animal themselves. Such a precious piece of cultural heritage.
Why would one want to steal something they can't sell off? Would pay better to steal from my sellers.
Huh?
Sorry, off topic. Believe they headed that way.
Understood. Thank you, Master Diluc.
Il nous a pas balancé. What?
Today, I think I'll have a glass of...
You can put down that bottle you stole from behind the counter.
something cold.
Right. I want answers.
Let me finish my drink first. I'll pay you. Well, with a performance.
It's not about money. You seem too young to be drinking.
No need to worry. When I started drinking, you were still... You want to ask, who's this? Am I right? He is Master Diluc, the boss of... the owner of this tavern. He's very famous. By the way, his dandelion wine is one of my favorites. Although most of the time I can only afford a bottle or two.
I just heard about some thieves from the guards. For the record, I like your guts for trying to steal the Holy Lyre de Hamel, even if you are fools. But we don't often get to see people like you.
It wasn't us that stole it. The real thief is still out there.
This is the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius. Why would someone so aspiring steal Mondstadt's sacred treasure?
Hotshot? Oh, so it's you. So, you and the Bard are close friends? Well, despite only being a passing traveler, you still offered your help to Mondstadt in its time of need. Shame you joined the Knights. The Knights of Favonius. Inefficient right from beginning to end. And towards the Fatui, weak and conservative. Forget it. I don't feel like talking about it.
Seems you don't really like the Knights of Favonius.
Just differences in approach is all. I have my own hopes for this city. Now, answers. Why did you steal the Holy Lyre?
You sure you want to know? It could implicate you in the affairs of the Knights of Favonius.
That's fine. I somehow always end up implicated in their affairs.
If I tell you the story with a performance, will you believe me?
It depends. I'll make my own judgment.
Then will I get paid?
Your reward will range from anywhere between 5 Mora and the Holy Lyre. It all depends on your story.
Very well. Let me put on a show.
Non, mais à partir comme de tout là, c'est officiel, c'est nouveau. Ok, c'est une bataille. C'est contre Ok, ouais.
What did
Là,
I just witness? This is confidential information. Why did you let me know?
Why? Perhaps the winds are changing. What say you, Master Diluc?
Interesting. Give me some time. I'll organize some contacts. Outlander, as one of the knights, it seems you're not a suspect. Blonde is the only description on the wanted poster. You should be safe. As for the bard, however, it'd be better if you stayed in the tavern.
No problem. I like taverns.
Okay? Let's meet here tonight after the tavern closes.
Ok. Succès. Nouveau monde. Ouais. J'ai tout ça à faire encore. Obtenu. Qui aime bien châtiller, figé. Il me reste tout ça encore à faire. Aïe. Bon. Mission, quitter la taverne. Et je me fais choper comme à la sortie. Salaud. Attends. J'ai compris. C'est à la Skyrim, très bien. Minuit. Confirmé. À mes souhaits. Mais je suis rentré, moi. Ah, nice. Je suis recherché. Super, je suis recherché. Nice.
You're here. Wait, you're...
Well, first of all, I contacted more than one person. Secondly, she came here as Jean herself, not as the acting Grandmaster. A Jean you would never see, even as an honorary knight.
What a surprise. I heard about the Holy Lyre, but I never suspected it was you. So, the sound of the Holy Lyre can purify Storm Terror and return it to normal? Is that true?
That's right. Your honorary knight is putting themselves on the front line to try and resolve this Storm Terror issue. Now that's the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius I'm talking about.
Feels like we're breaking the law, though.
I understand this kind of absurd explanation is hard to believe. But we can ask the bard to play the song again to try and persuade...
I believe you.
To persuade our stubborn command... Wait, what?
I can't think of any reason for Dvalin's betrayal, given it was once one of the Four Winds. However, if it was poisoned in the battle over Mondstadt all those years ago, and then corrupted by the Abyss Mage after it woke up, we can't really blame it. But as acting Grandmaster, I obviously cannot make such a statement publicly. Diplomatic pressure from the Fatui makes it hard for us to seek a peaceful resolution to the Storm Terror issue. People would think I've lost grip on the gravity of the situation. That's why I can only do this in private.
That's one of the reasons I don't like the Knights of Favonius. What surprises me is that you would believe in Outlander so easily.
My cautious and meticulous superior, even you trust him, don't you, sir?
I already told you not to call me sir. Never mind. We don't often get to work together after all.
Wow, this is really awkward.
I have a rough idea of where the Holy Lyre de Himmel is.
Nice recovery. She's really talented at changing the subject.
The conflict between Mondstadt and Snezhnaya stems from the conflict between the Seven Nations and their respective gods. The Cryo gods Fatui seem to be after the Animo god's power. Right. If the Knights of Favonius publicly prevented an attempt on Dvalin's head, then the only other way to affect the Animo god's power is to take the Holy Lyre.
The number of Fatui that have come to Mondstadt is far from limited. I've already managed to coerce a few reports out of them.
Diluc has determined that the Holy Lyre is not being held in the Goth Grand Hotel.
Bon, je sais là
I
que je parle
imagine
pas
they
comme
don't want to
beaucoup,
leave
mais
something
pendant ces
stolen in a
moments-là, je
place
comprends
where it
comme
could
pas
be
comme
so
parler.
easily found.
Paimon gets it. If too much of a scene gets made, then it becomes a big diplomatic issue.
Such is the diplomacy between the Seven Nations. Outlander, ready to go?
Ça va partir. Allons-y. On y va. Allez, bon.
Jean just said the Fatui are trying.
Bon, j'imagine là que je peux pas récupérer comme mes trucs vu là que je suis recherché.
I fear this might fall short of their true intentions. I think they
C'est
intend
où?
you.
Je peux me TP ici. Oui, allez. Ça va aller plus vite. Sauf que, ouais, non,
Just
une
like-
minute. Équipe, parce que celle de foudre, certes qu'elle est plus haut, mais c'est un enfer. Elle se contrôle mal. Mal et elle attaque à distance. C'est non négligeable ça.
The god of Animo? Hasn't been seen for more than 1,000 years. What makes you think that's their intention?
Oh.
Oh. Ah, on y va. Ah, bon ben j'ai vu un supplémentaire. Je vais le prendre, check. Oui, c'est... Ok, gros CP. Il est pas peur, celui-là. Je vais un fléau foudre. Ah, je peux pas le péter, ça.
No! Don't eat me! The entire floor's defenses have been broken. I thought it was the... How did you guys know the liar's here? The place it's being kept is locked up tight. If you're after the key, keep going further into the ruins, but don't come after me. I don't know which one of the guards has it, but I'm sure you can find the guards and find out for yourselves.
This guy looks like he's about to wet himself.
Bien d'accord, Paimon.
You just worry about yourselves. One of the 11 is already in Mondstadt. Signora, when she gets her hands on you, she's gonna string you up and torture you. When that time comes, don't you dare say a word about me.
J'ai bien hâte de voir ça.
Did he say Signora? What a strange name.
Number 8 of the 11 goes by the name Signora.
Ah, il y a rien à le
The
péter.
fact that the Fatui can run amok across the Seven Nations like they do is entirely because of the 11. We need to act quickly before she gets wind of what's going on.
Ça sent le combat. Ah.
Who are you? How'd you get in here? Never heard of that association before. What are you lot doing here? Oh? Keep talking. You're here for the lyre, aren't you? And just how do you plan to borrow it? think you can look down your nose at me, huh? The will of Snezhnaya is as...
There you are, eavesdropper. The more, the merrier.
Oh oui, niveau 17, ah oui. Et lui doit pas être bien haut. Ok, alright. Je vais prendre elle.
Let me amuse myself a little.
Ok, ouais, parce que...
The more, the merrier. Buckle up. Let me amuse myself a little. Assistance. He says the key isn't here. Shall we try another room?
Allez, au suivant. Ça serait pas plus simple de juste...
Let's get it on!
Et voilà, c'est ça que je pense.
Seems like we turned this room inside out. No key. Time to move on to another room.
Chou. Carotte. Bon, ça, je le mets.
Dodge this! This moment will be frozen in time.
Ouais, il faut de quoi augmenter plus la capacité, là, c'est pas possible.
Seems like we turned this room inside
Ow.
out. No key. Time to move on to another room. There's one room left that we haven't tried.
Oui, oui.
Surely the key
Oui.
must be in there.
Ah, je peux pas le prendre? Allez. Non, je peux pas. C'est jamais. Ah, merci. Ok, je peux pas aller là. On va monter. Encore une personne là, je sais ça va que
Who are you? What? Ah, you're just going to attack? I am a proud citizen of Snezhnaya.
Ok.
Buckle up! You're dead meat!
Ah oui. Des patates de forêt, toi. Allez. Wait. Ok, non, bon, plus tard. C'est parti.
Where did you rats scurry out from? Senora's not going to tolerate this kind of interference in our affairs. So I'll be the one to take care of you. Save her the trouble of having to deal with you herself.
You're just too much. Get you.
No escape.
Don't be such a brute.
is.
Il peut rien faire. Comment battre un boss? Coincez-le dans ce coin. Lol. Et voilà.
Finally, the lyre is back in safe hands.
What?
Where did that guy go, though? He
Ok,
was
j'ai
here a
tenté
second
le
ago.
demi.
Senora
J'avais
is
pas
going
vu.
to end you. The songs bards sing of your demise will be so terrifying. The people of Mondstadt will never sleep again for the nightmares they give them.
Big talk for a guy who still ran off in the end. Chicken.
Bien joué. Bien dit, Paimon. Bon, on a la lyre. Ok, on sort par là. Alright. Ok, bon, il faut d'abord que je quitte en bas. Alright. On y... Bon, c'est quoi? Succès. Quel succès? Brûler le bouclier d'un... Ok, j'ai réussi comme à brûler ça. Eh ben... Ok, ah non? Voyons. Ah, attends, j'ai peut-être... Ah non, c'est ça, ok. C'est ça. Ok, bon, mais ça... Ok, j'imagine qu'il faut que je mette épée, exactement. Bon. On va aller donner la lyre et je crois là que ça va être une fin d'épisode. D'épisode, hein? D'épisode. Ouh. Manquait, qu'est-ce que c'est que ceci? C'était quoi? Bon.
Welcome back.
Ouais, on est là.
This is the holy lyre. You managed to retrieve it.
Bien évidemment qu'on a réussi.
Pattern
Bon,
of
tu me prenais
flowing
pour quoi?
wind carved on the rosewood, and the strings still feel cool to the touch too. Ah, the memories.
What do you think, Venti? Can you summon Dvalin?
Although this lyre is the real thing, I doubt that it's going to work. As you can see, the lyre has been through 1,000 years of history. Its animal power has run dry. In this condition, you couldn't play music fit for even Diluc's tavern with it.
Bards fight to get on the stage of my tavern. Don't make assumptions.
Is that really important right now, Master Diluc? And you! Did you just borrow the holy lyre to play music for drunkards to hear? What do you mean?
Anyway, we won't be able to call Dvalin with it. The lyre itself is fine, but the strings... You're up, Outlander. Relax, it's not broken. It's just that the intensity of its animo power has greatly diminished. Do you still have Dvalin's teardrop crystal with you?
Ouais, je les ai toujours.
Great! Try to use it on the holy lyre.
Pas de problème. D'accord.
It worked as expected.
This youthful glow.
Praising yourself? Really?
I was talking about the holy lyre.
Thanks to our traveler friend having purified the crystal, the holy lyre won't continue to lose power. That said,
Là,
its
techniquement, il me reste
power
un
is
cristaux.
far from replenished. It'd be great if we could get more tears.
Récupérer des larmes cristallines. Comment fait-on pour un dragon géant en le tapant bien
I
fort?
can surmise that Dvalin will already be crying,
Ok.
suffering alone in some deserted place.
Ok, il me faut plus de larmes, mais j'en ai pas comme déjà comme une autre.
Poor baby.
This is not something that an honorary knight can accomplish alone. I will mobilize the rest of the knights to assist. When you get the teardrop crystal, please let our honorary knight perform the
Pas de
purification.
problème.
Heroes supporting each other and setting out on a journey together. How exciting! Let me come up with a song for you.
Is that all you're going to do? Just sing?
Wouldn't be much of a bard if I didn't, now would I?
You're so cheeky. You deserve an ugly nickname. Oh, Paimon knows. From now on, you'll be known as Tone Deaf Bard.
Paimon, sois gentil. Coucouche le leva païen.
This
Bon,
search reminds me of a feud I once had with the Fatui.
si je sors, il n'y a pas un autre truc le leva qui part.
6 months ago, a thief stole treasure from the East Temple of the Four
Parfait.
Winds.
Bon.
Whoa, what was it? A cup used by Barbados?
No. Although if such a thing existed,
Bon,
it would be very valuable. Among all the relics they managed to dig up, one particular object was very rare. It was a vial which contained
Je vais
the
attendre
animal
qu'il finisse
god's breath.
de parler parce que ça va me
Relics come
saouler
in
de
every shape
parler.
and form, huh?
Anyone with an eye for fine art would like to add this relic to their collection.
Ok, c'est là-bas. Ah, il y a un autre truc là. Se téléporter, merci bien. Ils vont peut-être arrêter de parler.
Once word got out, the Fatui started trying to seek it out as well. They've made tons of
En ce
counterfeits that
temps-là,
we
je
found
vais me
everywhere.
rendre là-bas.
In response, I just bought every one I could find, irrespective of its authenticity. We're still at it now. I've bought more than 2,000 fakes to date, and the Fatui are yet to find the real one.
Whoa, you guys are insane. So it means the real one must be out there somewhere on the black market, right? Paimon will give you a discount on them if she finds any, because Paimon's just great like that.
Sure, you can try to find the real one. I'll take what you find, even if they're fake. Once you're done, find me at the winery. I'll trade you a beer for every 20 you find.
Bon. Alors bon, je vais juste tenter qu'il me lâche. Bon, on est au temple. Donc, on va s'arrêter là. Donc, si là que vous avez bien aimé le level d'épisode, n'hésitez pas comme à vous abonner, le pouce bleu, commentaire, le partage, comme d'habitude. Et je vous dis à la prochaine.